Today, I'm going to show you how to fix a freaking muffler. Sort of. For this build, you'll need these things. Probably. Okay, maybe not the vice grips, but definitely the EVA foam. Basically what happened was, it's a 10-year-old car that's been driving on heavily salted roads. First I tried to cut away the steel with tin snips, but that turned out to be way too awkward to accomplish quickly. So I went with the coat hangers instead. You have to use metal ones without any kind of protective coating over them, because the muffler will get hot enough to melt that away. It's also why you don't want to use duct tape. It'll burn. Tetanus achieved. Oh hey, I have gloves for this. I untwisted the hook, then I wrapped the coat hangers around the muffler and then retwisted them. Hey auto exposure, thanks for adjusting to the lighting in the background, because that bike is absolutely the important part of the shot. Now this is by no means a permanent fix. This is what you do so that you're not dragging steel on your way to the mechanic. It's summer right now, so maybe this will hold for a few weeks at most, but I can't stress enough, this is a temporary jury rig. Super. So I don't typically do life hack videos, but I have done a few in the past, and I'll occasionally do more in the future, like at a rate of 2 or 3 a year. So here's some related videos. The links are in annotations or cards if you're on a mobile device. Thanks for watching. Jake out.